Hey guys, welcome back to HGTV Handmade with me, Marianne. Would you believe these adorable cake stands are made out of inexpensive terracotta pots? That's right, y'all. It's a pot. They're so easy to make, really adorable, and you probably have some old terracotta pots laying around already. Want to see how to make one? Watch this. I think my favorite part of these cake stands are the cute little stamped sayings. What would you put on your cake stand? I mean, I'm kind of partial to the one that says home slice myself, but why don't you let me know in the comments down below? And I don't know, I'm just gonna like tear into this cupcake. So I'll see you guys later. Do you think I could do the whole video with tissues stuck at my nose? Jordan thinks it would be funny. So there. Hey guys, it's another month, and guess what? I'm still sick. Look, now they're so close to my face. I can just... There has to be a better way. Try these new cake lifters. Bring the cake to your face. And I don't know about you, but one of my favorite things to do in spring is throw some parties. What am I even talking about? I am antisocial. I don't throw parties. They're so cute, so easy to make, and a great use for those plain pots you might have sitting around in your potting shed. Do you have a potting shed? You're like 14 on the internet. You don't have a potting shed. Go steal your mom's pots and make this cake stand.